welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you guys a literal week inside my hair. I get numerous questions asking me what I do to preserve my hair, what my hair looks like throughout the week, and today I am here to show you guys what my hair is looking like. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, we're just gonna hop right into this video right now. Hey guys, today is Saturday, so today was my wash day. To wash my hair, I use bentonite clay and I use this Diva Curl hair mask, and I use my Cutie to deep condition my hair, and I wash it out, and then I decided to do double strand twist. To style my hair, I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner as well as my homemade mango butter and some black castor oil to seal all that in. So I am currently going to be rocking my 2-strand twist for about 3 days. So this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it is nice and juicy. I like to wear my twist in a little bit longer than others because I like the fact that my definition when I actually do undo my twist is bomb. Like, I noticed that when I keep my twist in to let the hair, you know, marinate and stuff, my twists are usually bomb as hell. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm about to show you guys a quick close-up. So this is what the twists are looking like. As you can see, they are nice and juicy, nice and springy. I'm going to pull on one and then it's going to spring right back up. I am loving my hair. So I will be back in a few hours to show you what my day 2 hair looks like. And yeah. Okay, so today is day 2. Today is Sunday, May 20th, and today is my 2nd day of the week. And as you can see, I still have my twist in my hair. My hair is completely dry right now, and there's a lot of bounce to my hair. I'm planning on keeping my hair like this for one more day, and then on Tuesday I am going to unravel my hair. But I just wanted to come back on camera real quick so you guys can see what my hair is looking like, and I'm going to give you an up close. So this is what my hair is looking like up close. It's very moisturized, it's springy like I mentioned. There's no buildup or anything on my hair, and I am planning on doing a tutorial, or basically like my twist out method and what I use to like achieve this look for my twist out. I'm planning on doing that next wash day because I want to actually incorporate something else to see if it works with my hair. Hopefully it doesn't. I think it will work with my hair. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. The twists are looking nice and juicy, as you can see. And I forgot to show you guys the back yesterday, so I'm about to show you guys the back right now. So yeah, that is the back of my hair. And at nighttime I like to use my bonnet to put on top of my head. At first I was going to sleep on top of my satin pillowcase, but I think it's more beneficial for me to sleep with my bonnet on when I have twists in my hair, because I noticed that when I lay on my satin pillowcase by itself, my hair tends to get flat, but the bonnet keeps my hair nice and fresh. This is what my bonnet looks like. It is very big. It's an oversized bonnet, and this is what it looks like on me. But yeah, this is what it looks like on me. But I like to sleep with this on because I noticed that when I do this, like I said, my twists end up looking very juicy. They don't look flat. And then throughout the week, once I unravel my twist, I like to sleep on my satin pillowcase because it doesn't mush my hair up. So yeah, you're going to see in a couple of days like how I do my hair at nighttime. Like, I'm going to show you like how I set my hair up for nighttime so that I don't smush my hair up. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Okay, so today is Monday, May 21st, and I am actually going to be taking out my twist. I have a job interview at 2 p.m. and it is currently, I don't know what time it is, but I have a job interview at 2. So I'm going to unravel my hair off camera, and then once I am done, I will come back to show you guys. Okay, so I am back from unraveling my hair, and guys, the definition is so bomb. This is really about to be my new regimen. I'm going to keep in my twist for like 2 to 3 days before unraveling them because my hair gets to sit and marinate, and when I do unravel my hair, it's really juicy. Like, can you guys see this? Do you see that? Do you see it? But anyways, I'm going to insert a clip right now so you can see how I unraveled my hair real quickly. So to unravel my hair, what I like to do is use some grapeseed oil. So what I'm actually going to do is clip my hair away like this because I don't want to work on too many sections at once. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on my fingers. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to rub it in really well like this because I don't want to cause much frizz on my hair. To unravel my hair is simple. I like to smooth the oil onto my strand and then separate from the middle and then I unwind it in the opposite direction, and I open up my hair and separate it where it naturally wants to be separated. So I'm going to separate this section right here and leave it alone. I'm going to continue doing this whole process throughout my hair. So I'm going to separate. And these curls are really bomb. So yeah, that's basically what I do for my day 1/day 3 hair, because it's technically day 3 hair, but it's technically day 1 hair. I don't know if you guys are like following my drift. Like, it's day 3 hair within this like little video series, but it's day 1 hair because like I just unraveled my hair and I'm going to be wearing my hair out. So I will be back tomorrow so you guys can see what I do to my hair when it is day 2 hair / day 4 hair. And yeah, good morning guys. Today is Tuesday, May 22nd, so it is the 4th day of my week in my hair video. And as you can see, my hair is looking very flat on the sides, and that is because I slept on my satin pillowcase and I slept on my side. I usually sleep on my sides, that's why they look so flat. So what I'm actually gonna go in and do is take these scrunchies and stretch my hair out because I want to get volume in my hair, and I'm about to also go work out. So what I'm going to do is find my middle part, which is right here, and I'm going to start to section off my first section. Take about this much hair, and I'm going to start at the root because that's what I always do. I like to start at the root. So I'm going to put the scrunchie at the root, and then I'm going to hold the hair down, and I am going to work my way down. And I'm going to continue doing this throughout the rest of my hair to make sure that my hair is nice and stretched. I'm going to be working out soon, and usually when I work out and I keep my hair down, my hair starts to get wet and messy. But I've noticed that when I do this before I work out, my hair comes out so bomb. So I'm going to tie it on the roots right there. Then I'm going to hold it down, take another scrunchie, and I am going to work my way down to the end of my hair and leave the ends out. This looks crazy, I know, but it's gonna come out good. So I'm just gonna finish these up real quick because it doesn't really take me that long since I'm so used to it. I just try not to create frizz with my hair, so I usually take sections that are already naturally parted off. Can't forget about those, can I now? And sometimes I like to split the back sections in two. I think today I'm just gonna put it in one because why not? Just have one big section. So I have 5 sections, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. I'm going to go work out and take a shower, and when I am done doing all that, I will be back to show you how my hair is looking. Okay, so this is my hair after I undid the bands, and it's nice and full. So I'm going to be doing this for the next couple of days until my hair gets really old and really knotted. I will be back tomorrow so that I can show you what my hair is looking like. But I still have a lot of definition, but now there's just more volume. So I'll see you tomorrow. So it is currently day 5 of my week in my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. I still got some definition here and there. I also have a little frizz going on over here as well as over here, but that is perfectly fine. I just wanted to come on real quick to show you guys what my hair is looking like. And like I mentioned before, my hair is just going to get bigger and bigger as the days go by because that's just how my hair works. But yeah, I'm going to turn around and show you guys what the back is looking like. And my nighttime routine is basically just sleeping on my satin pillowcase, and in the morning when I wake up, just like yesterday, I am going to band my hair to stretch my hair out and then fluff. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. Tomorrow is going to be day 6. I hope you guys are ready for it. So yeah. Hey guys, so today is Thursday, May 24th, and this is what my hair is looking like. I am in love, guys. I am literally in love with my hair. The definition is still there. The volume is beyond popping. Like my curls, everything, I'm just loving it. Like I'm literally loving it, and I cannot wait till I share my regimen with you guys, because I swear it is so simple, yet it's very convenient, and my hair literally looks bomb throughout the whole week. So I'm going to show you like a close-up. As you can see, there's still definition going on. There's a little bit of frizz, but the definition is so freaking bomb. Like, what? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm still going to wash my hair on Saturday, but I'm literally in love with this new regimen, and I cannot wait to share with you guys so you guys can, you know, get your hair looking like my hair. I'm literally going to go to sleep like I normally do on the satin pillowcase, band my hair tomorrow, and I will be back to show you what my last day of hair is looking like before I wash my hair on Saturday.
Hey guys, so today is May 25th. It's Friday, May 25th, and I decided to put my hair in a high puff. Today is going to be the last clip of my installments of a week in my natural hair, but I wanted to come on real quickly to show you guys what my hair is looking like. Just in case you're wondering why the quality looks a little bit different, my camera actually stopped working, so I had to use my phone to film, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I came on camera to show you what my hair is looking like. I'm about to show you a close-up of what my curls are looking like. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. So yeah, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, just comment in the comment section letting me know. I will do different variations of styles, meaning that I can do a wash and go, a braid out, a perm rod set, whatever you guys feel like seeing. Just let me know in the comments, and I will show you guys how I keep it lasting throughout a week. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not guys, forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, until next time, peace and love always. Bye.